There are a number of people who claim that the Certo helped them to pass a drug test. But this method does not work the way they claim. Actually, you don't need Certo at all. In this video, we'll show you why this method is not reliable. Remember, if you fail your test, you lose your job opportunity, get fired, or go to jail. So if you need to pass a drug test, we recommend using the detox kits that are proven to work. These kits are legal, safe for the health, and undetectable. Click on the link in the description to read reviews. So, how do people use Certo to pass a drug test? You need 1 packet of Certo Fruit Pectin, 32 ounces of lemon lime Gatorade, vitamin B12 or B2, 1 gallon of water, approximately 3.8 liters. Start 3 hours before the test. Mix the packet of Certo with Gatorade and drink it. Continue drinking approximately 1 liter per hour. You need to urinate 3 to 4 times before the drug test. 1 hour before the test, take a pill of B12 vitamin. Why most people think that the Certo method works? The most common online explanation is that pectin coats inside of your stomach. This creates a barrier along the stomach lining and your urine bladder. This is supposed to block THC and other metabolites from getting into the urine. This is wrong. There isn't any scientific justification to prove that Certo or any other fruit pectin does coat your stomach or urinary bladder. The other explanation sounds more reasonable. It says that Certo boosts the removal of THC through stool. The theory behind this method's reliability is based on 2 facts. Certo has pectin, soluble fiber. THC metabolites are fat soluble. THC binds to the fat in the intestines. Fat binds to the bile. Bile is water soluble and dissolves in the water. Pectin fiber absorbs water with bile and THC metabolites. Most of the fiber is removed from the body as a stool. As a result, there's a very low amount of metabolites that end up in the urine. But this is just a theory, and it lacks scientific support. The amount of pectin fiber in Certo is also not clear. You can't tell the amount of Certo that you need to swallow to ascertain a sure pass. So, why does this method work for some people? The Certo method merely works because it involves consuming a lot of water. This means that you're simply diluting your urine and lowering the concentration of metabolites below a detectable level. It's worth noting that following this method blindly may lead to a failed test. Drinking too much water ahead of a test dilutes your sample by lowering the level of creatinine and affecting the specific gravity. So this method is highly unreliable and can lead to a failed drug test. If you're looking for the solution that works, follow the link in the description.